My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see. But we outside the whip right now. I just wanted to show y'all, man, you know, what the lip, I said lip. I was reading the message on my phone. What the whip look like, man. As y'all see, I got the front splitter, yellow brakes, 5 spokes, you know what I'm saying? Carbon fiber on the whip, you know what I'm saying? Not that regular black stripe. But I just want to give y'all a little look around at the whip right quick for everybody that's new, that never seen my car before. This is what she look like. This is Olivia, you know what I'm saying? This is Olivia right here, man. A little nighttime POV. Y'all can see at nighttime. I'm gonna start giving y'all more nighttime POV because they're just a little more soothing. You know what I'm saying? So you can fall asleep too, low-key, ain't gonna lie. With all just the noise and stuff like that. They're listening to the car and the peacefulness of the dark. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna give y'all boys a little remote start. I ain't gonna go all the way to the back. You know what I'm saying? I really can't give y'all no remote start for real. Let y'all boy hit that thing, man. That's a little something, man. Y'all see I got the white light, you know what I'm saying, on the side. Y'all rate my car 1 through 10, man. Be real, be real. You know what I'm saying? Peep again. Carbon fiber, yellow. You feel me? Yellow on the brakes, you know what I'm saying? Wicker bill, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, oh boy, I'm gonna get y'all a little smooth little POV, man. As you look up, you know I got the stars in the roof. You know, see I got my name in the roof, you know what I'm saying? Done by yours truly. But anyway, nevertheless, I'm finna get straight into it, man. Hold on, let me get stuff adjusted so y'all can see what's going on. Put y'all a little custom, you know what I'm saying, a little custom, little street mode. Custom little street mode, not too crazy. Too crazy. This ain't gonna be no long POV, I ain't gonna lie. Cause I did this last minute. I wasn't even finna start doing it, but I was like, I'm already out burning time. Might well, you know what I'm saying, be productive. You know what I'm saying, while I do it. So yeah. Get straight into it. I don't even know what to call this. Y'all know how I go, man. A little late night POV, man. I need to put my hand sanitizer on. I just pumped some gas. Gotta, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get right. Y'all hold on right quick. I ain't gonna need to hold you. I see we got the white light trim, you know what I'm saying? White light trim with a white star to go with it. I'm gonna throw that thing in manual. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get to it. Let these folk go by. Y'all let me know how much y'all rock with a nighttime POV, man. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I rock with them. And I'm gonna start probably just dropping like a couple of them back to back to back. Cause I haven't been doing them like that lately. And that's just a little different little sauce, little flavor. You know what I'm saying? To give y'all boys, you feel me? Y'all boy, a nice little flavor. For the daytime will always be daytime, but the nighttime here different. Especially when you got the stars in the roof, you know what I'm saying? I'll peek the stars in the rear view. You feel me? You feel me? Something slight. Something slight, man. Yeah, man, I just get straight into it, man. I just listen to Olivia, man. I'm tripping. By the way, Cari crew, but we hit 12K, man. I'm tripping, bro. We hit 12K, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you already new, man. You know what I'm saying? We on the road to 15K, man. Get to go to 15K the quick way. You feel me? We done hit 12K, man. Y'all clap it up in the comments for us. You know what I'm saying? Cari crew, you know what I'm saying? We're doing this together as a unit. You know what I'm saying? We're a family. We're a family, man. I appreciate every last one of y'all. I just rolled by 12 too. I appreciate every last one of y'all, man. I love y'all boys, man. I appreciate y'all boys for real, man. Without y'all, man, you know what I'm saying, wouldn't even be here. But I appreciate you for sure. Appreciate y'all boys for sure, man. Boy, I hit 12K, man. Echo is insane. If y'all can hear that echo, bro, it'd be so much crazy. That echo go crazy. Not my boy. But yeah, that echo go crazy. But yeah, man, we hit 12K, man. You know what I'm saying? We hit 12K. We finally at 12K, man. Been a long time coming, you know what I'm saying? Slow motion better than no motion. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We slowly getting there, man. They're gonna speed up. My fault. I keep holding the camera. They're gonna speed up, man. They're gonna speed up more and more, you know what I'm saying? The bigger we get. That thing know gonna be at 13K before y'all know it. And 14K before y'all know it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I'm lost for words. Why is this car getting behind me, bro? Don't get behind me, nigga. I hate when folks do that. I'm being weird. You getting behind me? Better be in that turning lane, boy. But yeah, man. Boy hit 12K, man. I don't know too much to say. I'm just happy. Stick 'em. That echo is crazy. Echo is insane. Boy, I wish y'all can hear that echo like how I hear it, bro. Echo insane, man. Can y'all see the twinkle? I should be able to see it a little bit. But yeah, man. We at 12K, man. You know what I'm saying? On the road to 15K, man. We getting there. We getting there. We getting there. We getting there, Cari crew. Y'all boys just keep subbing. Every time you come across the video, man, and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and join the Cari crew. You feel me? Join the Cari crew, man. Better content on the way. The bigger we get, the better the content get, man. think what I should do when I be recording is turn the brightness up on the stars to help shine light in here. I ain't never think of that. Let me see, hold on. Let me see if that helps. There's so many lights I keep Ryan pay, you can't really tell. I'm rolling one of them. It really ain't made no difference, I ain't gonna lie. It really didn't make a difference. But y'all see how they look when they real bright. Turn these mud back down, I ain't really do nothing. I'm driving with my legs, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, alright. Them trees, boy, them trees. Good Lord, them trees. Tree, man. But yeah, man. I ain't really got too much to say. I just really wanted to just, talk about the 12K, you know what I'm saying? We hit 12K, man, if y'all ain't noticed. You know what I'm saying? And to give y'all a little nighttime POV unexpectedly. The unexpected, you know what I'm saying, POV. But yeah, man, nevertheless, I'm probably gonna end the video right here. I didn't want to make it too long or nothing, man. Just a quick little nighttime POV, man. I was up under the stars, driving in manual mode, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. But yeah, Cari crew, not gonna be a wrap, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new once again. Congratulations to us on 12K. You know what I'm saying? On the road to 15K, get your boy to 15K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man. Like I also said on in my videos, you gotta go, you're trying to achieve any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, Cari crew. You know what I'm saying? For all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up. Ask for guidance, ask for wisdom. You know, all that good stuff, man, in between. And yeah, like I also said on in my videos, hold on, let me get y'all a pull. I also said not in my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday.